Hello everyone. So this is what my house looks like now. Everything has been gutted and yeah, we're getting estimates from plumbers and electricians. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I've removed the sheetrock here because it was it was all wallpaper and I couldn't find a painter to remove that. And then this area was wallpaper, but it was small, so me and my sister removed it and it wasn't that bad. And there is a trick to it and we figured it out at the end, which I'm gonna share with you guys. See, this is the old wallpaper that was here. And this is the first wall we did when we were in Experience, so there's a lot more scuffs on it. And then I figured out the trick around here. See, this is a lot more smoother. And here, see, this is a lot more. The wall is like, oh wow, it feels really nice and smooth and not a lot of nicks. A little something here. But overall, if I had known it was gonna be not that hard, I would have not taken all that sheetrock out. So we found a little bit of, I guess, water damage on the plywood, which I'm going to have replaced. And then in here too, a little bit of what, and this is the powder room, and this had all wallpaper on it, and there was a closet here, so I removed it. I wanted to put a shower in here, but because of the cost, I decided against it. But I'm thinking just, you know, it's better to have a larger powder room and possibly put the shower in there later. And there was a laundry chute here, which I had them take out because I don't want a laundry chute. So this is what it's looking like. And from here you can see the family room too. All of the flooring, the subflooring is, my sister and I removed the carpet, and then we got contractors to do demoing the, there was another layer of plywood for them to take that out. And then there was, in the kitchen, there was, what's that nylon thing called? I forget. They took that out, and see, there's a little bit of water damage here on the plywood, the subfloor. So yeah, and I just have some tile samples here for my powder room. I'm thinking, should I do hardwood? Like, cause it's gonna be all hardwood here in the family room and the hallway. So should I continue it into this area and the powder room? I don't know. I'm thinking about that. This is the laundry area. So yes, I don't know. It's gonna come together, hopefully. And there was a door here, which we're gonna patch up. And let's see, I'll show you the family room, living room. This is the hardwood. That was underneath the carpet, and probably going to have this refinished, and so that it all matches. And this is the entryway, and this is the dining room. Yeah. And I started to sand the stairs to see if I could do the stairs by myself, because I don't think the flooring people are going to sand this over here, because this gets painted. So I was like, well, if I'm going to sand that part, maybe I'll just sand the stairs too. Yeah, see, and this is all wallpaper, but I don't think that me and my sister can handle all of this. I don't know. Guess how much a company said they would charge me just to do this, you know, entryway here, to remove the wallpaper and to paint it. Just, yeah, they broke it down. And guess, please put it in the comments what you think it was just for the entryway. There was a closet here, and but there was this window hiding in the closet, and this area doesn't get that much light, so I wanted to get the sunlight coming in from that little window, so we took down the closet, and the electrician has to move the electric, but I'm gonna have to put like an armoire or something for coats in here. It is a large entryway, so I don't know where I'll put it. But subscribe to my channel if you want to see how I put everything back together. And see, we're doing a lot of it ourselves, so it's taking a little longer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.